Hello guys, welcome to my channel. So I did a poll if you guys wanted to see the process of how I decorate my place or put together my place or whatever, and a lot of you guys said process. So right now my place isn't fully done just because I am super picky on what I want. I can last months and I'm still indecisive on what I want. So I'm gonna be starting off with here, the entrance. I love this spot because you can put your keys, anything you want, especially for your guests. They can leave their stuff here. You can actually put like a little plate here to kind of decorate it. But as far as that goes, I don't know what I want to put here yet. Now as far as the kitchen, honestly, it's what really sold me. Other than great lighting and everything, I really love the kitchen. I love how there's an island. I had it lit for a very long time, so excuse the candle. But as far as the island, it's really nice. I actually put some stools in here, that way I can sit down. I got these from IKEA. They're really nice and modern. I really love being in the kitchen. I just love the look. I love the lights under the cabinets. Over here, I have these little, what are they called? These little cabinet cover things. I was thinking of putting these at the bottom where silverware go and everything, and then this on top. It's kind of like a beige brownish type of color. I was thinking of putting this on top, but I don't know. I was still debating on doing these colors just because I was thinking of doing more of like a marble and whites and all that stuff, but I don't want it to turn into a weird color, so I think this color is nice. But yeah, so here is my kitchen. I just love my kitchen so much, and the lighting is so good. Like, next thing I'm gonna show you guys is my den. So I wanted to really make this into like a little place where I can create content. It's really spacious. I really wanted to do like a shoe wall here, but you know, I am a renter, so I don't think that's a great idea. So I don't know, I have so many ideas for this place. I love my body mirror. It's really nice. I got this at CB2. I was gonna get the IKEA one. It was sold out, so yeah, this is my fit of the day. I love how much light they bring in. Anything natural light, I love it, honestly. So yeah, I still don't know of what to do with this room. If you guys have any ideas on what to do with it, please DM me or comment down below on what will look nice. You're not coming out here. I have my living room. I still don't the TV stand, so I don't want to put my TV right now. I was actually thinking of doing like the TV stand here and then the TV, and then put like those pampas right here, but I don't know. I was thinking of doing that, so hopefully in the next video I am doing all of that good stuff. So once again, I'm very picky, so the next video I'll probably have the TV stand and all that stuff. A lot of people told me to not get this color because it's gonna get dirty quick, but I don't got no kids and I don't have no pets, so why not? We're gonna go outside. Oh, it's such a beautiful day outside. So here's my balcony. So I got this chair at Wayfair. Honestly, I love it so much. Super comfortable. When the sun sets, I usually just bring my blanket here and work on my computer, reply to clients and all that stuff. It's such a really good space to really unravel and relax and watch the sunset. So but yeah, I definitely want to add more things to the balcony, like a little table or something like that to put like my drink or whatever. Maybe a little plant, some plants outside. But yeah, I really love it. It's so cute. I got this chair at Wayfair. Also, I love how high my balcony roof is. It's so nice. And I actually chose to have my complex face the west side. That way I could see the sunsets, because I'm more of a sunset rather than a sunrise person. So yeah, you can kind of see the ocean. I think it's right there. So that is that. I'm gonna show you guys my room. Now my room is not really, honestly, there's nothing to see, to be honest, because I haven't decorated. I only have my bed there, and that's pretty much it. My TV and my oh my gosh, what is that called? My drawer, and to put my clothes in. So yeah, so I'm gonna show you guys that. So here's my room. I really love the white, but I don't know if I want to keep the white just because it does get dirty super quick. It just looks so nice. It looks so nice. Right here I do have my closet. It's like a small little walk-in, but I'm not gonna show. I definitely want to put something there because I do not like that look of this. So I was thinking of maybe putting like a mirror there or something to cover it up. Now this TV, I'm thinking of putting it in the living room and getting a smaller TV for my room, but since I don't have the TV stand, I can't really do that right now. Now for the bedroom, there is access both ways to the bathroom. At first I was like, what the hell, like I couldn't really get used to that, because I was like, what if someone wants to come in and I got a logbook? But you know, it's whatever. Gonna light it up real quick. I love it. It's so big. I love how big the mirror is. It's super cute. Now I am not gonna keep these colors. I honestly just got gray because I was like, I need something ASAP, and I thought gray was gonna be a good idea, but yeah, it just wasn't it. I want something more on the beige tones and something to kind of go with my apartment in general. So yeah, this is it right now. I like to keep it minimal as far as decorating and stuff like that. I still need to fill in that spot. I still don't know what I want to put there yet. I got this marble trash can. So yeah, this is my shower. I'm gonna just show you guys the shower head because I love how big it is, but I am not gonna show you guys the overall because it's a little messy. Next time you guys see this video, I'm definitely gonna change up the color because I'm not digging this at all. So yeah guys, and I mean obviously the final thing is my laundry. It's here. I love how it's in the unit because that was just like a big thing. I don't want to go to a laundry place or anything like that just because I'm very like on the go. I'm like, okay, let me just throw these in, and it's super convenient, you know. And this is where I put like any just extra things. I have my Christmas tree here and like just, you know, it's a mess. So that is pretty much it guys of how my apartment looks like. There's nothing much to say, to be honest. I just really love the overall look of it. It's super modern. I love the lights. It's super, like, just everything about it, the natural lighting, everything. I just love it so much. Now as far as recording more of it, I definitely do want to record more videos of me decorating my place, putting things together, the den, my living room, what I choose as my TV stand. I do have some ideas, and like, again, I'm so indecisive, so I really want to show that. Let me know what you guys think, what you guys want to see more of, and yeah, if you guys want to keep watching what I post, definitely subscribe and like this video if you guys liked it. So yes guys, thank you guys so much for watching, and until the next video,